pretty little soul. Yes, you are. Pretty little soul. Yes, you are. Yeah. This one time for all the fine poly boys out there. This one's for you. Pretty little soul. Yes, you are. Sekia, oh yeah, you know that you be banging all day, and you know that we be thinking the same thing. Hey, pretty little soul. Sekia, oh yeah, you know that you be banging, and you know that we be thinking the same thing. Hey, SLO, olele, boy, let me fix it, say, so we can be together, stay in the hotel all day, have breakfast on the set. Let me be that girl, the one you go on reunion with and introduce me to the fam. That's why I be like, damn, going on with this song. I'm proud that you Samoan. We're moving like we was throwing, mending like we was sewing. We pulling it together like some folks are doing. Dude, same kind. That's why I had to let you know, bro, but I'm filling up your whole mind. In time, we gonna be just fine. Wake up to a whole new world and glisten for shine. I be lying, love, cause you're the one little boy, that's what's up. Feel I'm blessed. I'm walking around with that best. I had to call him in next. He's my pretty little soul. Sekia, oh yeah, you know that you be banging. Yeah, you are. Pretty little soul. Yes, you are. Sekia, oh yeah, you know that you be banging. Hello? Is this Michael?
Yeah. O Michael au.
Oh, Michael. This is Gaby from the New FM reception, you know, the one with the braids. So I see you every time, and you come in and you come on your lunch break and you order a hot chocolate with the cream. Yeah. So I was maybe thinking that we could get together outside of New FM one day. You know, I do a little something with my braids. Yeah.
Wait, so late, yeah.
Oh yeah, you know, before we do, I just want to dedicate this song to you.